We want these lights to be these bulbs to dim, so we don't want them just to light. I'm gonna show you how they light up. Actually, from there you can see they light just like that. Okay, so what we want to do is just to make them dimmable, right? Well, I'm gonna show you that in a few minutes, so let's switch that off. The tools that you'll need: flat screwdriver, a tester, and wire strippers, electrical tape, nose pliers, a Phillips screwdriver right there. Plus, go grab that, of course, that's what you're gonna be installing, right? It's a dimmable at any local hardware, Home Depot or Lowe's, right? So get yourself one of those and you'll be good to go. They come with different varieties, but if you get one of those, that's okay, whichever one that works. And remember, always read and check on your house if you have single pole or three-way. Okay, single pole or three-way. Single pole means if you have one switch. I will show you. Let me show you. For this light to work, I only switch it on from one side. Okay, so only this side I can be able to switch on that light, so that's called single pole. But if you can switch on from any other side of the house, then you're gonna join those wires to a three-way pole, right? So that's what it means for in my circumstance right here. It's a single pole, only one side they switch on this light. Okay, so just make sure when you're joining those wires that you check on your house if you have another place that you can switch on your light. Okay, in my case I only have one side, so that one is single pole. Okay, so here we have the switch, the dimmer that we just bought. So we're gonna install this. The first things first, you need to understand is the green is the ground, the black is the power supplier to your switch. The red, we have two reds. One red is the traveler, and which one, even the other one is the traveler, but this one particular one is if you have a three-way switch, you will join that too. Okay, as I said, we have a single pole, which in my case is a single pole, is only one location in this house that I always that I switch on the light from. So mine is a single pole. Always check that before you install. Right, so mine is a single pole. For this case, mine has the red and the white. It has a red and a white lining right there. That one is for the, if you have a three-way, you join that into it. But for my case, I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna use the blue. These are the nuts that they came with. I'll put the blue into that and twist it, and then that will be it. All right, so let's get down to it. All right, we'll start first by joining the ground into ground. So you just go over there and you twist that a little bit, and then gonna join the black one. The black one, black to black. The red to the black over here, because this red is a traveler, right? It's a traveler, so you want to join. Remember, you have two reds, one has a white lining, so don't join that. So this one you're gonna just cap it because I have a single pole. You join red to the black, and that's about it. In there we always have a white, which in this case here you don't have white. That one you just push it in there and let it stay. Make sure you twist it and keep it in there. Tape around your nuts and twisters just to secure them from any if they come undone. Just you want to make sure they are all secure in there. So just put your electrical tape around it just to hold them down. Then you want to push them in and securely in there because you're all done. So from there, the next thing you want to do is to push it in there and screw. You have 2 screws that they came with it. Have 2 holes over there and on the bottom. The upper one is for the switch cover that goes on top, and the lower one is the one that goes in inside the hole by the box in there. So you wanna screw your screw down the bottom one so that the top one is for the switch cover. So you're gonna look for the cover that matches the design of your switch, and this is the cover for this one. It's not like the normal regular one. So when you grab this, they always sell this separate. This is like what, it's like what, $3. So the wall plate that's gonna be is an rectangular shape right there. So grab yourself also one of this and come and put on the cover on top. Okay. So we're gonna install even this one on top right there. This cover itself has 2 covers or 2 plates. There's one that is in the internal and the external covers. So what you want to do is to the screws are right there. You just need to pop the clips. We have the top screw holes that I told you before. This for the plate to come on top, and we're gonna use a Phillips screwdriver. And after that, now we're gonna install the top cover into it so that to hide the screws and looks more decent. There, so I'm gonna put this in there, nice and secure. Boom, and there you have. Now we're gonna go switch on the lights, and then we're gonna test and see if our dimmer is if our lights are working, and then let's see. All right, good. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. I'm gonna fade it out right there, dim it out, there it is, boom and boom, and our work here is done. Thank you all for watching. Hope to see you on the next. Bye for now.